Welcome back to Gamingtech. Today I'm at Gamingtech studio. I was kindly invited to build my computer that I wanted so much.
Finally you got the chance for it.
Yeah. I'm gonna open for myself also a channel. The topic of the channel I will say maybe a little bit later in the video.
Okay. Have you built computer before?
No, I haven't.
So this is your first time?
Yeah, and I'm excited.
That's understandable. So take a nice position here. And you're gonna do the build yourself completely all alone. And obviously I'm gonna assist you.
Okay, thank you.
Nice. Yeah, it's not easy building computers.
Yeah, that's... Shall I remove this? Or not needed for now?
Protective cover you should leave at last.
For that, yeah. Okay. So this is here.
So what's the first step we do?
Motherboard. But
And
I think
then?
we should open first this.
Yes, you can do it. You can remove the tempered glass panel.
This is my motherboard.
Exactly.
It's pretty big actually.
It's an MATX layout.
I like the smell of brand new things. What's this?
That's called IO shield. Those are Wi-Fi antennas. Your manuals, your CD.
What CD? What is this?
We don't need any of them.
This is like a present. Or
It's just that your drivers are there.
This is like a sticker for the motherboard or what?
No, for the case if you want to use it.
Oh, yeah, I can use it actually.
So what are we gonna do now?
I think install the motherboard first.
We're gonna install the processor. So get your processor.
This is the processor.
Yes.
These antennas I don't need for now.
This processor has a triangle, which is here. Put it inside the socket.
Okay.
Very gently. Let me see. Then we check it like this. Very good. Now the lever you need to apply force.
What?
The way you opened, the
Yeah.
way you close. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Wait. I see a problem here with this socket. Yeah, you did it correct. Now it sits in the plate. I'm like, why is this loose? There's a locking mechanism. Yeah, exactly. For each one of them.
Yeah. This is...
And the last one.
This is already locked, I think. Yeah, this one. I lock this, and this.
So all of them are done.
Yeah. And
You
then-
sure?
Yeah. I heard this.
Yeah, very good.
Good. Then we're plugging this in here.
CPU fan header cable. Look at the pin layout and you will understand.
Yeah, I understood this way.
Exactly. And now you just take this cable and you can tuck it in here so it's not in the way. Like this. Let's see, wait. Just a second. So it looks prettier.
And the cooler is
Stop
cooling the processor.
Exactly. Exactly. Now what's next?
Next, let me think. So we have cooler. Is it not the RAM?
Yes. Yes. You don't want to touch the golden pins, so hold them from side.
Okay. Let me first open the package.
These are called your DIMM slots. So we will be using 2 and 4.
Okay, so I'm gonna remove this now.
Slide the back panel. No, slide the back panel. Like this. Push it. Yeah.
Here.
Now, look. You want to have the case in this orientation. And make sure that these holes, you have 8 of them.
So one is
So you
going
need
here.
to see that they match.
Yeah.
Check these gold pins. Look, you have one here, one here. So lift it, lift the motherboard. Screwdriver is there next to you.
I worked the left hand a little bit stupid.
No, take your time, nobody's stressing here.
Wait. What is wrong? This is
Accessories for your power supply.
guides. This screw. Here. Oh.
Take out the power supply first. From its dust bag or whatever they call it.
Yeah. This is.
No, put that back in the box.
No.
The cover. Yeah.
So here.
Now take out the cables also. Give the box to me so you have space to work with.
Oh yeah, so much cables.
Hey, we won't be using all of them.
So, 20
You will need one of those. That's for
CPU.
processor,
Yeah, this is for processor.
and that's for the motherboard.
Yeah. So we are using this now here and here.
Yes, but first we want to attach everything to the power supply
Okay.
and check if there's one more CPU.
So this is here.
That's PCI Express that we will use for the
PCU.
graphic card.
Yeah, PCU. This is PCU.
No, check the labeling here. It says exactly what it is here.
And this is these cables. So PCU.
Nice. No, wait with that. First, everything to the power supply.
Okay.
Then you will route them.
So this is the motherboard.
Exactly. So you want to use these ends
Yeah.
here.
This is coming here.
No, other way.
Other way.
Like this.
Yeah.
Nice. And the other side. Okay.
So this is not the motherboard, but
Yes.
later. So this is.
We want one more for processor.
PC. It goes somewhere here. Wait.
It can go next to it here. Nice. And PCI Express. Yeah, yeah. Open that. This one, this side. Look.
Yeah.
It says PSU, which means power supply. Other way, yeah. Nice.
Can I move my watch?
Yeah, it's up to you.
Thank you. Come on. So. Yeah, it's correct.
Not too tight, you want to do cross. So one here and another on the corner.
Mm-hmm.
And then you'll tighten them all up. Just don't do too much.
Oops.
Do you know what cable management is?
No.
To make the computer's cables tidy. That can take 1 to 2 hours even.
What?
Yeah, I think you're gonna enjoy that.
No.
You're probably gonna say, Jim, do it.
Yeah, most likely, yeah.
It's very nice power supply though.
I like it also. It's like this, I hear, like.
I will show you the accessories what you can do also. But first
Okay.
we'll connect the cables and then think about the aesthetics.
Oh. And I must hold this click also?
Yeah,
Okay.
just push it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay.
You did both of them?
Yeah. Now this?
No, you need to do one of them there.
Yeah.
One of the headers. It's 4-pin.
Okay.
Same way you connected them, same way.
I prefer this. Yeah. Good.
Nice. So this is your first gaming PC slash work PC.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Like this. And then.
The other one goes to the back.
Uh-huh.
I'm not sure, can you put it there?
I will try. Yeah, actually it went.
Uh-huh.
Like this.
But did you remove the protective cover?
Yeah.
Oh.
Actually, I don't know if you.
I think you have it.
I was looking. I can't remove it now. Doesn't matter. I haven't because look, this is like this, and this is.
If we move this, can you take it out now?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't. Here. Good that I have nails. I haven't cut them.
Nice.
And now. Yep, and then let's use this one.
So you want to put more stickers?
Yeah. Can I do actually on the graphic card? No,
You
that's not
shouldn't
good.
do that.
Yeah, I think also. It wasn't that good, but yeah.
Because the back plate of the graphic card
Will
gets
be
warm.
good, yeah. It will. Good. Let me see. How? Let me see actually. Where can I put it? Yeah. This was one. Which is dark but doesn't matter. Actually it would be good if this come here but doesn't matter.
So you personalize your system.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah, go for it. As you guys saw, he just built his first PC. He had no experience doing whatsoever, just me assisting on this build. We will be building another system and there is gonna be another guest for it. If you liked the video, like the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so. Share and like, do all of these stuffs. I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.